Class Journals makes it easy for teachers to create documents, like student worksheets or quizzes, and then distribute them to students as assignments. This video will explore the steps necessary for teachers to generate an assignment from an existing document, distribute the new assignment to their class, and grade the assignment once it has been submitted by a student. Also, it will show how to add to an assignment, perhaps to clarify it or to provide correct answers, after it has been distributed. To begin, ensure that a document that you wish to distribute, like Biology 101 iColor, has already been created. Then click on the Assignments tab on the home screen. On the Assignments screen, note that you can view all existing assignments, or you can filter the assignments list by using the Show Open Assignments and Show Closed Assignments checkboxes at the bottom of the screen. To generate a new assignment, click the Add New Assignment button. The first step is to choose an assignment type. You have the option of either selecting Worksheet or Notebook. With a worksheet, each student gets their own copy of the assignment and responds by entering text, sketches, or images on their copy. However, they do have a link to the teacher's copy, and the teacher can add explanatory notes to their copy even after initial distribution. Or perhaps if the distributed document is a quiz and students have already submitted their responses, the teacher can provide answers to questions as class-wide corrective feedback. With a notebook, each student gets a blank notebook linked to a master instruction sheet made from your document. Since there is just one master instruction sheet, it cannot be modified by the student. However, you can add tasks to it, like weekly assignments for example, and students can accumulate responses in their notebook throughout the duration of the course or school year. This may be the preferred option if, for example, students are keeping a Chem Lab notebook and you would like all of their lab work to be accumulated in a single document. In this example, we will generate an assignment from a worksheet by ensuring the Worksheet Radio button is selected. Then we will select the document from which the assignment content will be copied. Next, type an assignment name in the assignment name text box if necessary. Since Class Journals allows you to manage multiple students in multiple classes, you must select the checkbox next to the course that you would like to create the assignment for, and enter a due date for that class. If you teach multiple classes using the same curricular content, you can distribute a single assignment to each of the classes and have them all due on the same date. When finished, click the Distribute button. At this time, the assignment will be made available to all students in the class. When they sign in to Class Journals, the assignment will be visible under their Assignments tab. When they are finished with their work, they will submit the assignment to you. A demonstration of this process is covered in another video. In this example, we will review an assignment that was completed and submitted by one of our students. To view submitted assignments, first select the Assignments tab. Then, select the assignment that you'd like to view. A list of the course's students will be displayed on this screen, showing on each list bar whether or not the student has clicked Submit on their copy of the assignment, indicating that it is ready for your review. Click on the student's name to view their submitted assignment. The student's assignment will be displayed. While viewing it, you have the ability to leave text or sketch notes, however, other authoring functions are not available. In this example, you may want to suggest that the student find an online resource for further study by inserting a text note. Using a sketch note, a teacher can easily mark up an assignment submitted by a student, much like marking a physical paper with a pen. A history of feedback and student responses will be preserved in the document, which may help you to grade the overall performance of the student at the end of the grading period. When you are finished leaving notes for the student, you can grade the assignment and leave an overall comment by clicking on the Grade It button at the top of the assignment. Within the grading screen, type a grade into the grade text box and any evaluative notes that you would like to include. When finished, click the Save and Return button. Then, to return to the list of student assignment submissions, click the Back button. Then click the Back button again. There are two other features to mention that relate to the assignment distribution and review cycle. First, if you have distributed an assignment and wish to add an explanatory note or an additional task, you can click the Edit button from your home screen, and within the assignment, click Edit Content. This will reopen the already distributed assignment and you can modify it. Students have access to the modified documents from a teacher's copy or instructions button at the top of their copy of the assignment. Second, as the teacher, you can request email notifications each time a student submits an assignment for grading. From your home screen, click the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. If there is a check in the checkbox under Notify Me by email, you will receive these notifications. You can check or uncheck this box at any time. There are also two features that will help you keep your growing list of assignments organized. First, you can sort your homepage documents into folders. These could be course-based or topic-based folders. In our example, let's make a folder named Biology by clicking on the new icon and entering the name of the folder. Then click OK. Now all we need to do is drag the assignment by its name from the assignment list onto the folder we've just made. When you have multiple assignments sorted into folders, you need only click a folder to show its contents. Second, you will find it very helpful to close assignments after they have been graded. To do this, click the Edit button on any assignment listed. At the bottom of the screen, there's a Close Reopen button. You can click and re-click it to toggle between closed and open. Let's leave it in the closed state and click Save and Return. Note that it is no longer listed because only the Show Open Assignments checkbox is selected, but you can always access it by checking Show Closed Assignments. By closing assignments when they are all graded, you'll find that the assignments you are grading and the next assignments due are always at the top of your list. At the end of a grading period, you may want to check both the Show Open and Show Closed assignments in case you want to get a complete picture of work that has been completed by students. As you can see, the process for creating, distributing, and grading assignments within class journals is seamless and efficient. It has never been easier for teachers to create and distribute assignments to students and to provide valuable feedback once they have completed their work. These assignments are stored in the cloud and can be accessed anytime and anywhere. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to check out more videos and explore additional class journal features.